Give me some. Okay.
I'm finna get this. I'm finna get that Josh Allen, bro.
Okay, I'll give you a little bit.
Now I'm gonna get that 83 wide receiver. I want you somebody for this.
That's enough.
Okay. I like Thomas. I love it.
So would you guys actually believe that this was like my real skin right here?
Hey, babe.
Like, you probably would.
Hey, babe.
Stop saying that.
That's not the idea.
Stop saying that.
What's up?
Why?
Don't say that.
What's up?
Idea.
Don't say that.
What?
He's ugly. He is too. Don't you dare.
Yes, you going live or just YouTube?
I'm going live. Dummy.
Joe, wanna go against me, bro? Cause this game is smoking.
So it is so stretchy.
Okay, give me some more coins. I'm
My
trying to get
sucks.
I'm trying to get 15
Hey.
coins to get something.
Hey,
I don't want to know any clue.
You already got
come
12.
here.
Fuck, leave me the fuck alone.
Elfie.
I just got big.
You would break out.
I'm playing the king of the week. It's like me.
Hey.
I'm about to watch Monty.
Play the